Crypto! The warlord Armquist is heading to a meeting with the other human warmongers. His orders are to unite them against us!
No biggie, I'll just take him out.
Yes, but that would still leave the others alive. Martyring Armquist will only stiffen their resolve.
Oh well, I guess I'll have to do them too.
Follow Armquist to that meeting.
It seems Majestic is using primitive listening devices they've discreetly placed to spy on Armquist. We're not alone, bending antenna to hinder Majestic. Crypto, your forethought surprises me. I won't stop you. Just don't let this stunt hold you up.
I can feel a strike coming on.
My analysis shows that bending an antenna has the desired effect of interrupting transmission. One would think you've done this before.
Please, God, let him be wearing pants this time.
My mind says Clift, but my body says Brando. Monty just ain't no rebel without a cause driving a streetcar named Desire on the waterfront.
They've come to kick ass and to beef.
Armquist is getting away from you, and he can only move in 2 dimensions. Catch up or you're going to lose him. This must be where the warmongers are gathering for their tribal war council. Take the form of a human warmonger and infiltrate Armquist's meeting. Then, use your powers of persuasion to turn the others against him.
You're going down, little man! Show me what you got!
Space invaders!
You think you can go 15 rounds with me?
Oh, gross.
Look at me again, punk. I dare ya. I double dare ya. I double dog dare ya.
Omar Bradley? 5 stars? Are you kidding me? I mean, MacArthur I can see.
The evidence is overwhelming. First, communist spies infiltrated a small country fair in the American heartland and kidnapped the winner of the beauty pageant, violating her corn-fed virtue in God only knows what unspeakable ways. When they were done with her, they destroyed the whole fairground. Civilian casualties were tragically high.
Aren't you jumping the gun here, Armquist? That fire might have just been set by rowdy teenagers. I did as much or worse back in my day. Kids will be kids.
He's right, General. Kids today may lack discipline, but they're not communists. I think you're making too much of all this.
Last, a communist agent used an experimental nuclear explosive device in a direct attempt to assassinate me at Area 42.
I don't suppose you managed to catch this so-called assassin, General, or are we just supposed to take all this on faith?
Sorry, General, but you'll have to do better than that if you want my support. I don't know who the hell you are, General, but you got a big mouth. Son of a... You! How did you do that? Come and get me, you commie piece of crap!
Okay, we'll do it your way. Eat hot plasma, monkeys!
Stop, Crypto! Your cover has been blown! You asked for it! You got it! Annihilate the humans!
You dirty rats! You're the rats who killed my Huh? Your way's not very sportsmanlike.
You can run, you little freak, but you can't hide.
Who's hiding? Let's get funky.
Excellent! Now this is what I call it. Knock Armquist dead, Crypto!
You asked for it, Yuri. Come on, Snake. Let's wrap it. Support needed. Over. Backup requested. Over.
Where do you think you're going, Mars? Back on track!
with this Trotskyite sympathizer! Oh!
Go on, you commie punk. Finish it.
It didn't have to be this way, Armquist.
What do... what do you mean?
I mean, this ridiculous war. We could have worked together, you and I, to forge a new future, a common future of peace and prosperity for our two peoples.
Just put me out of my misery, will you?
I'm serious.
You didn't want to destroy us?
Of course not. We were as scared of you as you were of us. Deep in our hearts, I think what we really wanted was to be just like you.
Really?
Really.
I guess, at the end of the day, we really are all just human beings.
Psych. Pathetic human.
Step right up. Weapons, abilities, saucers, upgrades are us. We've been monitoring the radio. This human Withers says the president will appear before his subjects today. This president must be more integral to their social order than I suspected. I have noticed a significant increase in activity in front of the White House.
Right on. Just tell me where he is and what he looks like.
Hello?
The mothership's tracking system is broken. I think he uses those convoys of long black vehicles for transit.
You think?
I can't exactly pinpoint the president from orbit, Crypto. It's not like he walks around with a big red arrow over his head. I need you to follow those vehicles so we can identify him.
This city's getting way too crowded. 1 million people is just too many. It'd be great if something just came along and just swept them away with, say, a superheated death ray.
Look, sir, no offense, but we saw you.
Why won't Miss Kublik go out with me? She's a fox, and I dig her apartment.
Hairless hamster
little green men!
Communists! We're under attack!
Space invaders! Fight the body snatchers! Aliens! Hello? What was that? Hairless Martians! Them! Run for them! Body snatchers! Anybody ever tell you you look like a They're coming!
They've come from outer space! What? You'd be jumpy too if you had to spend 9. Space invaders!
Show me what you got!
Scanning. Oh, look. Their vehicles use hydrocarbon combustion. How quaint. Crypto, try not to breathe.
You're going at it. Look out, or I'll make you look out. Be careful, you.
One drink for breakfast, 2 for lunch. With any luck, I won't even remember dinner.
What if the other guys notice? Oh, who cares? Lace feels so comfortable under this suit.
Passengers and components are both made of carbon compounds. They must have gotten the Soylent Green leather interior. Pricey option.
Can't wait to get home. Nobody makes meatloaf like my Mary Lou.
Oh, their electronics are masking all human neuroelectrical signals. Well, so much for biorhythms. We still got the horoscope, though.
Hello?
Crypto, what are you doing? Get back in range!
Space invaders!
Look out! It's an ambush! Circle the wagons! Throw me a shotgun! Get the women folk inside! Oh, I really must stop watching human television. Screw it. Destroy them all!
Put me down.
Go, you coward! You're blocking my shot. Get out of the way. I don't know, but I've been told. I ordered.
into those monkeys. That was pretty smooth.
Crypto, the Wither creature has just made another broadcast. He says the president will be appearing before his subjects in a short time. Clearly, he is a wily adversary, much more so than Armquist.
So you want me to disintegrate him mercilessly into a trillion teeny-weeny bits? Roger that, big kahuna.
Excellent! You're learning.
Man, I am good. How good? So good.
He loves me. I know he loves me. If only he'd acknowledge me in public. Well, good thing I kept the blue dress.
Very smooth. Of course, I wouldn't expect the humans to take this lying down. But hey, you're a big crow now, right? You can take care of yourself. Crypto, the dudes in dark have found your saucer. I think they're planning to destroy it this time. I'm no expert in human explosives, but it looks to me like they're laying enough to breach the power cells. That could vaporize the entire city.
They've come from outer space!
Hurry! They're going to destroy your saucer! Oh, have they no regard for another being's property?
Body snatcher! You want to get me started? Fire, rain, these things mean nothing to me. Permission to sign over my voice. I can take it.
Good work, Crypto! So what would you like to upgrade, you little ball of unbridled aggression? Now that their president is dead, the human senators are voting for a new leader. The vote is agonizingly close.
When the president dies, doesn't the vice president become president?
Just shut up and kill those senators before they get inside the Capitol!
Alien space invaders. They're coming. Run for your lives. Hello. Die. What? You're alive. Watch it pass. They're coming. Run for your lives. Aliens. Space invaders. Ugly little space rat, ain't you?
piece of me.
No! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Space invaders! Run for your lives!
The senator's break must have ended. Analysis shows they've had a liquid lunch. Don't hesitate! Take them out!
It's hurting! Martian! Martians! Here to respect the... Hello? There... Space in... Hello? Bodies... Them! Martians! Body snatcher!
Crypto! Get to the main gate in front of the Capitol. Larger groups of senators are moving in. And load up on ammunition. This isn't a democracy unless I say so!
They're swarming in from everywhere! Let none past you! Eliminate them! Watch out! I detect military units nearby. With my, military unit detectotron. No, just take my word for it. Hurry, Crypto! They're using the side entrance north of your position.
Here's a close encounter.
I see more senators as well as some soldiers.
The tag said this suit was flammable. No, flammable.
No! They're at the main gate again!
Okay, so what's the good news?
This time they're more heavily armed?
Oh, goody.
When we kill... It's hurting.
Excellent! Bert Wither reports the voting was inconclusive. The leaderless humans will have no choice but to surrender to us now! A saucer upgrade, perhaps? No? How about your gun or your abilities?